I'm Polybath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I got to get this off my chest. I have a student who was just downright mean. I am struggling to find the good in them, and I can't stand how their behavior impacts myself and others. What should I do? How do I handle this? First of all, give yourself some grace. It's okay to say, gosh, this kid is mean. I just don't say it to their face, but it's okay for you to have that perception. That's your automatic thought. And your automatic thought is really going to be driven by how you perceive this child day in and day out. The hard part for you is going to be how to change your perception of this child so that you can keep the emotion piece out of it, because what's happening is your emotions are getting sucked into your automatic thought. And so it's hard for you not to always view this child as mean. So you got to be able to change that perception. Once you do that, you can go to the next step, which is look at this child and realize that the only way people will learn to be kind to others is if they experience kindness, all right? So we can't do a worksheet on kindness. Nobody learns how to be kind or have empathy because they did the worksheet on it. All right? You have to actually be responding to the child with kindness, even in the face of meanness, which sounds totally like, they didn't earn it, they don't deserve it type of thing. But the one thing we need to remember is they are children. And if they haven't experienced it, then their brains don't even know how to fire to respond to kindness. So all they know is meanness. So that becomes a comfort zone for them. So we've got to kind of get them out of the mean zone and into the comfort zone of kindness. And that just takes work on our response. But get your emotion out of it if you can. It's okay to say to yourself, man, this kid is mean. But then flip your perception whenever you possibly can for this kid. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.